3, 2, 1, start. It is to be noted here that the government, in suppression of the rules of 2004 and to achieve the object of the COTP Act, enacted the rules of 2008. Under these rules, the public place as defined under Section 3(1) of the Act shall include the workplace, shopping malls and cinema halls to which, as per Rule 3, the owner, proprietor, manager, supervisor or in charge of the affairs of a public place shall ensure no smoking under their jurisdiction. They were required to exhibit the display board as specified in Schedule 2. It is clarified that no ashtray, matches, lighters, and other things designed to facilitate the smoking be provided in the public place. It is further clarified that if violation of the rules were found, they shall be responsible for it and shall also be liable to pay fine equivalent to the number of individual offences. As per Rule 4, the hotel, restaurants and airports having capacity of 30 or more rooms or the persons must specify the smoking area or place for the use of smoking and not for any other services. The owner, proprietor, manager, supervisor in charge of the affairs of the hotel, restaurants and the airports were required to observe their compliance of Sub-Rule 4 in the manner as prescribed therein. Thus, it is clear that Rule 3 of the Rules of 2008 deals with complete prohibition commensurate the main provision of Section 4 of the COTP Act, while Rule 4 specify the provisions commensurate to the proviso of the said section. Thus, the COTP Act and the rules of 2008 provide a complete code and mechanism to deal with or regulate the smoking at public place. In the said context, as per the legal position, the sale of cigarettes and other tobacco products to a person below the age of 18 years and within a radius of 100 yards of educational institutions is completely prohibited. In case of service at public place like hotel, restaurants and airports, applying the proviso of Section 4 of the COTP Act and Rule 4 of the Rules of 2008, smoking may be regulated in the specified area and in the manner provided therein. The said discussion shall fortify from the recent judgment of Honorable the Apex Court in the case of Narinder S. Chadda and others versus Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Supra. By the said case, a batch of civil appeals were decided and the judgment of Bombay High Court in the case of Crusade Against Tobacco, a branch of the Charitable Trust and others versus Union of India and others, passed in public interest litigation number 111/2010, has been set aside and the Apex Court held as under. We find it difficult to accept this contention because it carefully read Rule 3 deals with the prohibition of smoking in public places, which is preferable to Section 4 main part, whereas Rule 4 is referable to the proviso in Section 4. Rule 3 would only apply where there is a total prohibition of smoking in all public places, as is clear from Rule 3 1A, which makes it is incumbent on the owner, proprietor, etc. of a public place to ensure that no person smokes in that place. Stop.